So right now we are working on the shaft. Actually, the shaft supposed to have a little clearance for the engine to be free, so that it will move normal. There's supposed to be a little gap, but in this case, the shaft just tensioned down. Now, how do I know the shaft was bad? When you are driving, the car is kind of shaking, vibrating, which I know as a qualified mechanic, and this is what we do in Vonos. We get to the root of the problems. So I just know that the shaft is having issue. So I'm trying to pull it off right now to see what the problem actually is. Shaft is out, the bearings are bad, so we are replacing them. This is the second leg, that is the right hand side of the legs, and you can see that, you see this one is very free. This is how it's supposed to work, while the other side was just stiff and strong. It was not, the other side was not even moving at all. This is how it's supposed to be. But you can see the shaft is out, and this particular one, this is the first time they are opening it. So we are buying the complete shaft for that particular left hand side. So that is what we are doing right now. I just confirmed this one is okay. This one is very, very, when I mean okay, is okay. I've just removed this. I use this one to test this particular side to see this one, the other side, that is the right hand side. It works perfectly here in this left hand side. Now look at the difference. You see the height? There's a little bit different. This one is taller than this. We are replacing this one. So this is the new shaft. I'm about putting it in. I have to remove the inner cup to confirm the bearings, that to see if they are okay. But I've confirmed them, the bearings are okay. So right now I'm about to fix the shaft.